Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So the choice filling for all India is over and the status locking is also done. It was not mandatory to lock the status, so don't worry if you haven't locked it. Okay, they'll consider your choices. Okay, result will be published on 28th. But in this video I'm going to talk about the state-wise or all the counseling updates in one. So and this is the number given 9319128677 for our personalized counseling guidance. You can join our telegram group also. The description has its link. Okay, and I'll give you update about all the states, means where the choice filling registration going on and all sort of things. So the choice filling is done and result is pending for all India. Andhra Pradesh CAT A and CAT B there is no further activity of choice filling. Bihar state, the registration date is as on today 26th, and it's an open state. It will ask you 2 lakhs of security deposit. Chhattisgarh is open state. The registration is going on at the same time. Choice filling is also going on parallelly, and you can do the registration up to 2nd of October. In Gujarat state, the registration is completed. Document verification is also done. Choice filling is yet to be started. Himachal Pradesh, registration is done. Merit list is published. The choice filling from today until 29th for Himachal Pradesh. Choice filling going on over there. There is one college for private, so just need to fill one college only. In Karnataka, the registration is as on today, and document verification also starting from today. We will share the feedback about the document verification, because there will couple of confusion like what documents to carry, whether laminated document will work or not. Okay, so let's the date get over and we will share the updates about it. Kerala, the choice filling is going on from 25th to 29th of September. Okay, Maharashtra state, the registration going on, choice filling will starting from 28th to 2nd of October. Madhya Pradesh, okay, there's little delay in the choice filling from 27th, that is tomorrow, to 29th of September. The choice filling will happen. The stay order has been put from the court on NMC bill in this state. Pondicherry, there is no update about the choice filling. Registration was completed long before. Punjab, the choice filling tomorrow until 29th of September. Rajasthan state, the registration has completed and choice filling will start from 28 to 30. Tamil Nadu, there is no update on the choice filling. Telangana, no update. Telangana B category and Uttarakhand, both states need to they are yet to schedule the notification. Odisha state, the registration is completed, and for Uttar Pradesh today the registration is going to start from 2 o'clock, and you can check, and after like some time you can start the registration in UP. UP is your open state. They will ask 2 lakhs of security deposit, and the choice filling will be happening from 29th until 2nd, and on between 3rd to 4th the result will be published. From 5th to 8th you can do the reporting at the college, at the nodal center. West Bengal, the registration is completed. Okay, in Jharkhand, registration complete, and from 28th the choice filling will start up to 1st of October. So this is the complete update state-wise. Okay, we are expecting a little bit of fee hike in Karnataka state. The fee structure is to be released. In UP also the fee structure not released yet, and the seat matrix is also not released yet. Okay, so we will keep on updating such things as we progress with the counseling. I'll tell you in nutshell which state will ask you to deposit the security. Bihar state 2 lakhs, Chhattisgarh 2 lakhs, Haryana 2 lakhs, Himachal Pradesh no security deposit. In Maharashtra 1 lakh for private college, 25,000 for government colleges. Madhya Pradesh from round 2 lakhs, and for government colleges 25,000. Pondicherry 2 lakhs from round 2. Punjab 2 lakhs from round 2. Rajasthan 2 lakhs from round 1 security deposit. Tamil Nadu 2 lakhs from round 2, and Uttarakhand 2 lakhs from round 1. Uttar Pradesh 2 lakhs from round 2. West Bengal, they will also ask security deposit from round 2. So this is the update in a nutshell. Okay, so thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.